Pope in puffer stuns the internet.
Did you see
Pontiff's
this?
AI outerwear actually looks great. Ah. So this is like some next gen. It's like if the Pope was Drake or something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice.
So much drip.
So they just typed in Pope wearing puffer jacket, and this is what spit out.
Something like that, yeah.
What do you think that is? Is that Midjourney or Dali? Which one is it? And also, they let them do the Pope. Remember, we couldn't get away with...
Definitely not Bing's image generator.
We couldn't get away with, like, any prominent figure. Mm-hmm. And they got away with Pope. Now, how are the hands, Will? Check the hands, my dude.
This hand is kind of wonky. His right hand. What was he holding?
I think it was supposed to be a cup of some kind, but it didn't work out, and the cup is too small, and it looks like some kind of pepper shaker or something.
I do like it. This was popping off on the weekend.
Yeah.
11 million views. I think because it looks so realistic. Like the way that the cross touches the puffer jacket and has like an indent. And it has like a really, like, it's not completely stark white. There's like a certain tint to it. But yeah.
It's fantastic, yeah. You could sell a bunch of those. That's haute couture right there. You understand?
That's funny, though.
Oh, here we go. We actually get some background on it. It is Midjourney. AI image generated from Midjourney, artificial intelligence. Yeah, completely fake. So it's merging the two things together. I think it in this case, it helps. They probably had to put white in there, I would say.
Yeah.
They had to say white puffer jacket. And then next thing you know, you actually get a decently believable picture of the Pope in a puffer jacket. Cool.